Hi guys. So today I was supposed to go to the dentist because I was getting my braces in, but once my appointment was finished, the dentist locked us in.
Yeah, he kind of locked us in, and now we don't really know what to do.
Let's try to escape.
Okay.
The key's over here. Let's take
He
this.
literally is saying you'll never escape. Mwah ha 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 ha.
Come on, Cookie.
I'm coming. That's a lot of toothpaste, bro. Are you sure you need all this?
Ew, this dentures. Is that blood? Oh wow. Icky dentures.
Ugh.
Oh wait, you're not supposed to jump on the dentures.
No. Last time we could. We're not allowed to this time.
Oh, okay. Wait, what? I couldn't move for a sec. That's not fair.
Blah, blah, blah.
Look at all these toothbrushes.
Wow. She said something in chat, and I don't know what she said.
Wait, you got wait. Look in this. Look in the chat. It looks like it's in a rainbow thingy.
Huh? I don't get it.
Where? Okay. What even is this water? Why is it deadly? My God!
No, I don't think it's water. I think it's bleach.
Oh,
like,
that makes sense.
Yeah. Why would we have bleach? Oh no, it's hot water. No, yeah, it's hot water. That's why. It hurts.
Boiling water.
Yeah.
No, I didn't even touch it. Pause the video.
They heard you say that. Okay, so we're back. And is it the purple
I
one?
died.
Is it? It's
no, first is the blue and then it's purple.
Yeah, I got purple.
Your favorite color?
Yeah. The first one should have been green, though.
This door. Come on. One of these buttons can disable those slicers. Why does he have a freaking dagger?
Why do we need to press buttons?
Okay, that one doesn't work.
Why is there a murder knife right there?
Let's go, come on.
Oh, I did it.
There's so much dentures here. They're covered in bleach. Don't touch them. That's why they're so white.
Okay. Hey girl, what's up? She's just like, what?
Whoa. Wait, what?
How are we supposed to do that?
I don't know.
I did.
What? Oh, we go in the vents.
What? All the way back at the toothbrushes. What?
Wait, where are you?
I'm all the way back at the toothbrushes. You brought me all the way back here.
Okay, I'll come back.
What the heck? That's so unfair, though.
You can come back though. Just die. And you'll spawn at this checkpoint, won't you?
No. I spawned.
Or did you forget to click checkpoint?
No, I did it. I was on the checkpoint. I went on the checkpoint. In the video, you could see me walking on the checkpoint. Okay, so I'm back.
Come on, over here, in the vent.
Let's just let that go.
Okay, we find a box in here.
Don't
probably in this room. Oh, I found it. Here, Cookie.
Oh.
What does it do?
Can we click these?
Wait. Where do we go?
I don't know. I'm back.
Okay. I figured it out.
Okay, what do we...
Okay, so come back out and it covered up the floor so you could just walk across.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Come back out through the vent. Covered up the floor.
Oh, yeah, it did. No, what the heck?
Cookie.
This is why I don't do parkour. Because I suck at it.
Another vent. So dusty in here.
Oh, gosh. The criticism is real.
Okay, not that door.
Okay. Oh, I found it. It's the one.
Oh,
it's the one.
I found it.
Yeah. That was actually pretty.
Why is the toothpaste
Pup!
perfect squares?
Pup, you need to teach me how to do these.
You said you're okay at them now.
Not like big ones. With the little ones, I'm okay.
Come on, Cookie. Ew.
Hey, would you like to buy a car? No, I won't. Please don't eat me!
Ah. Ew, he has yellow teeth.
I thought he was a dentist.
Come on.
And I thought he was still a dentist.
What part of the mouth is this?
The gross part. Ow.
Come on, Cookie, you got this.
No, I don't got this. Make it! No!
Just play it safe and go one at a time.
Okay. I did it!
Come on. Ew, why is it green?
Because it's green. Because the stomach acid.
Climb the spinal cord. What kind of body is even built like this? Like, seriously?
I can't make it past this banana. It kills me.
Ew, it's poop.
It's a banana.
Banana.
Why is the tomato black?
Banana. Come on, climb the spine. Oh, wait, get your head away from my butt.
You mean it's the opposite way? No!
Why are these poops deadly?
Because they have
Ew.
Clorox.
Yeah.
Because they have Clorox in them.
Wow. Dude drinks bleach.
Yes, he does.
Hashtag sponsored.
No.
I'm a loser. I already made it to the end.
I'm not a loser. You're the loser.
I'm the one who made it before you. Can you see my path?
No, I cannot see your path. This is the worst winner's area ever.
I know, it's so boring. Let me talk to your manager about this. This is unacceptable.
Yes, let us talk to your manager.
Okay, let's go. We're done.
Well, thank you for watching the video.
Yes. Subscribe to me. Should be in featured, or if Cookie's not feeling lazy today, she is this big. Oh.
What? Alright, thank you for watching. I guess I'll see you next time. Bye bye.